Welcome to another video. Today we'll be making chicken breast with onion and sour cream and a box of stuffing mix. First, let me lower this radio. So I've just got some skinless, boneless chicken breasts. I used 3 of them because it's only 2 of us. And I put it in the crock pot and I added salt and pepper and some onion. And now I'm going to add 1 package of any kind of stuffing. Trust me, it's delish. Sorry. Okay, so you got your chicken breast, skinless, boneless, salt and pepper, onion, and now you're going to sprinkle over a package of stuffing mix. Yum. And then you're going to add, wait a minute, then you're going to add some sour cream. Cream. I say just a whole one of these little ones. You just open up that bad boy. And put it into the crock pot. Sorry, here it comes. So, I just put the whole small container of sour cream in there. And now I'm going to add chicken soup and half a cup of chicken broth. Chicken broth and cream of chicken soup. So it says to add half a cup of chicken broth in a small bowl with the cream of chicken. So that's what we're doing. I'm not going to measure it. I live on the edge, you know what I'm saying? There we go, it's our chicken broth, and now we take our cream of chicken. And put it into the bowl of half a cup of chicken broth. Yummy. And now you're just going to stir that together. And then we're going to pour it over everything. This is a very simple recipe and very delicious. Okay, so let's recap here. We got our chicken breast in the bottom with salt and pepper, an onion, a box of stuffing mix, a whole container of the small container of sour cream, and now we mix together half a cup of chicken broth and a can of cream of chicken. And now we're just going to pour that over it. And now we're just gonna spread. See, that's gonna be good. Everything together with the sour cream, you know what I'm saying? Like you're icing a cake or something. It's really yummy and easy. There we go. I think that's all we do. Double check. Boneless chicken breasts, package of stuffing, sour cream, chicken soup, chicken broth, salt and pepper, onions, stuffing, sour cream, chicken soup, blah blah blah. And I'm just gonna cook mine because this was a last minute decision. There. On high because it's almost 2 o'clock and hopefully it'll be ready, which it should be sometime between 6 and 6:30. And that is, I guess you call it, some chicken with stuffing. And it's really yummy. And remember, make life delicious. It's gonna be good.